We now get straight into the action. Earlier we had the toss and Little London Primary 1, they decided to have Stella Maris Prep go first. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds in which to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so we'll have 4 minutes on the Guardian's new ultimate provider clock. We begin with Stella Maris in Bible knowledge. What were the names of Noah's sons?
Shem, Ham, and Japheth.
That is correct. Little London Bible knowledge, what were the names of Isaac's twin sons in the Bible?
Jacob and Esau.
That is correct. Stella Maris science, what form of energy is stored in a candle?
I think we should just say anything. Just say
Light
energy.
That's incorrect. It's chemical energy. Little London science, what form of energy does running water have?
Hydro energy.
That's incorrect. It's mechanical energy. Stella Maris, international affairs, it's a visual question. Team, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Curacao.
That's incorrect. It's Chile. Little London, international affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bolivia.
That's incorrect. It's Ecuador. Stella Maris, English language. What is the figure of speech used in this phrase? As white as snow.
Simile.
That's correct. Little London, English language. What's the figure of speech used in this sentence? The moon smiled down on the couple.
Metaphor.
That's incorrect. It's personification. Stella Maris, television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Oh, I think she plays like on Marvelous.
Just say something.
No, Selena Gomez.
That's incorrect. It's Scarlett Johansson. Little London television, a visual for you. Look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Selena Gomez.
That's incorrect. It's Eva Longoria. General knowledge for you now, Stella Maris. What's the capital of Mexico?
Mexico City.
Mexico City.
That's correct. Little London general knowledge. What's the capital of Nicaragua?
Managua.
That's right. Sports, a visual question for Stella Maris. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
I don't know. I think we should just say Elaine Thompson Hera. Yeah.
Elaine Thompson Hera.
It's Jamaican athlete Rochelle Clayton. That's incorrect. Sports, visual for you now, Little London. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Omar McLeod.
That's incorrect. It's Orlando Bennett. Social studies, Stella Maris. In what year in the 1930s were the labor riots on the waterfront in Kingston, Jamaica?
1938.
Okay. Just wait.
1938.
That's right. Little London social studies. In what year in the 1950s was the Kendall crash in Manchester, Jamaica?
1957.
That is correct. Stella Maris, music. Which Caribbean musician and singer was born Slinger Francisco?
Bob Marley.
Chronics.
That's incorrect. It's the Mighty Sparrow. Little London, music. Which Jamaican artist was born Moses Davis?
Elephant Man.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is actually Beanie Man. Mathematics, what's the value of x if 3x minus 8 equals 160? Time's up. Little London, want to try? Want to try?
No, thank you.
Okay. Little London mathematics for you now. What's the value of x if 4x plus 6 equals 94?
$28.
That's incorrect. It's 22. And that bell signifies the end of Section 1. The scores are Stella Maris Prep on 4, Little London Primary on 3. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for our children from Guardian's new ultimate provider. And the tip is, never participate in cyberbullying. Your phone or other devices should not be used to bully or threaten another child. If you know someone who is doing this, speak to your parent or a responsible adult about it. Stay with us. This Matching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021 continues after these messages.